Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go through the process of meshing an entire wall, and we're just going to start off by applying some compound. I'm using a Jib Trade Finish multi-purpose ready mix compound. I'm going to apply that over the wall. So we've got some old fibrous plaster walls here that have got lots of sort of spider web cracking everywhere, and the best way to sort that out is to put a mesh over the whole wall just to strengthen it all. And we're going to use a fiberglass mesh, and once we've skimmed the whole wall, which is going to give us something for the mesh to adhere to, and we're using the 915mm wide fiber fuse. Comes in 45m rolls, so perfect for this sort of thing. You see there, there's actually a window pelmet that I'm sort of working under. I've already done the top part of the wall of the pelmet, so we're just going to lay it, and I've pre-cut these. This fiber fuse mesh just makes it a lot easier to have everything pre-cut. You can unroll it, have the roll on the bottom on the floor, and just unroll it upwards and stick it on and cut it at the bottom, but this way is a bit easier. And then I just had a strip to go down the side there, which I just used the smaller rolls there, the 152mm wide rolls. They come in 23 meters, so they're handy for those sort of little bits there. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to press that mesh into the compound. We just want it fully pressed in. So I'm just using my big knife there, and once that's done, we can apply another coat of the same compound straight over again. So that mesh is in between the compound, giving it strength. So there's plaster on either side of it, and that's where it's going to get its strength once it dries. So just using my wide flat trowel here, just coming up from the window. You can see that strip under the window there, so I'll do that after. Just using some of that 152mm wide fiber fuse. We'll just work around this light switch there. So I use quite a bit of compound for this sort of process. Now once this is dry, I'm actually doing the whole room, so I'm working my way around the room. But once that's dry, I'll give that a sand with the machine, and then another skim coat, and once that's dry, a final sand, and that will come up pretty much perfect. So that's the process, how I do it. Hope you learned something in this one. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.